Hi traders, Anthony here. I'm just taking a look at the pound dollar. So we've got this trend 4-hour time frame, been under pressure, and I'm looking for an opportunity to sell. However, I don't want to get involved down here. If this was to roll over and trade off without me, I'm very happy to let it go. But what I'm looking for is an opportunity if this trades back up into these levels and through here. I'm always looking for these 4-hour distribution accumulation zones, and I love to trade these. More often than not they work out. Sometimes you lose one or two, but you can build an account if you have a strong strategy and good risk management and trading around these levels here. So what I mean by that is that's resistance, if you will. I'm looking for a pullback up, and entry, this continues down, would be up in around here, short position. I mean, look, I'd have a sell zone through this range here, above this imbalance, in through here up into this 4-hour order block, stop loss above, something like that. So that's a set and forget scenario. Now if I'm sitting in front of the chart, I won't be doing this. I'll be waiting for the opportunity and just watching price action, and then get involved as I see the setup invite me in. Basically, I've done a lot of videos on this. So if you go back over my old videos, you'll see what I'm talking about. In any case, a set and forget scenario for me would be something like this. By the way, guys, click the links below and have a look at my website. Join our Telegram group. We'd love to see you in there. That's a sell zone. Can I name it? Yep, something like that. Sell zone. What else can I say about this? Stop loss above, sell zone here. I can grab a short position. We'll just average it out somewhere in there like that. So that would be the thing. And then this, if it broke with your risk reward. And what I mean by that is I'll generally take 2/3 of my position off very early in the piece, at 1-to-1 risk reward, and then I'd be looking to trail the rest. So in other words, if this was an entry up here, well, you might have got taken out here, but oh yeah, maybe not. No, stop loss above. So you just let it travel a bit and you give it a bit of room to breathe, and once it sort of establishes itself, then you can kind of start moving your stop loss down and trailing it. So depending on how well you read it. And the other thing too with this would be to, as it trades south, set up stop sell orders under, and that's another video. So I mean, yeah, that's my take on the pound dollar at the moment, something like that. With that, guys, comment, smash the likes, and do all that. Hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.